Can't say I don't love her, still I can't pretend that my heart is torn, just knowing that I'm losing my best friend. It is easier said than done. Then someone tell me why. Though I try, I can't find the words to say goodbye. Can't tell her that I'm sorry, and hope she'll understand. She will have to do with someone else. Oh, the rehab man. I'd rather her hear the truth than hurt her with a lie. So I try, but I can't find the words to say goodbye. Now I know I have to go. There's no other way. But goodbye is not that I can bring myself to say. If I told her see you later, then I might be wrong. 'Cause this voice inside is driving me to find where I belong. And I know I must leave her now, but every time I try, don't know why, but I can't find the words to say goodbye. Don't know why, I can't find the words to say goodbye.